Like if somebody goes tomorrow to Hajj committee and says, I have constitutionally declared right to remain as union and I want to go on Hajj as couple, married
We'll have to
couple.
wrap up now. Yes.
So that I have 2-3 examples that I have
All
set
right,
out.
we look at the.
These are the problems which will be faced by even statutory bodies. I have submitted 4 pages notes, my lord.
We'll have a look at the note. Can you just identify the most critical
Yes,
point that you want to make?
2 points I'm trying to convey, my lord, because Mr. Sibal, Mr.
Just come straight to the point.
They have already argued. My lord, as far as the matrimonial legislations are concerned, those statutory legislations 50 onwards, even in those legislations, there are scope of customs, practices, which have been practiced for a long time. Undefined practices are part of those legislations. I have cited, for example, only 4, 2 from related Hindu religion law and 2 from Muslim. For example, section 3A and 29 from Hindu Marriage Act, my lord.
Yes.
Section 3A of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. They take custom within the statutory regime. Those are not defined.
So what is how do you formulate it?
My lord, even in the statutory regime, undefined customs and practices
Yes.
of community and those who follow religious beliefs have been made part of the statute.
Is what? See, 4C proviso of the Special Marriages Act.
My lord.
He itself talks of subject to custom, and then it says how custom is to be, proved.
My lord. So that is there, and we don't know ultimately what custom is finally proved in certain facts and circumstances. That will depend upon case to case basis. Same way in Muslim related legislations, my lord. In section 3 of Muslim Women Protection of Divorce 1996 Act, there are practices of Muslims which have been recognized. 1939 Act of Dissolution of Muslim Women, that sets out ground for divorce, but there is a provision which says that other grounds which is acknowledged in Muslim personal law. So those have to come from uncodified sources of personal law.
What is the next point?
Next point, my lord, even if we talk a Special Marriage Act, my lord, reading of section 19 to 21A takes us to custom within 3B T 73 of Hindu Succession Act. Section 19 to 21, if we read it together, detailed discussion has taken place on this, my lord. It takes us to Hindu Succession Act 3BD 73. And they are uncodified customs.
All right. What is the next point?
If we go to 27(1)A, my lord, then that takes us to Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 3A, read with section 10, clause 3. So this is one, my lord. Second, as far as declaration is concerned, the declaration that has been sought for from that side, I completely adopt the arguments of Mr. Dwivedi, Learned Solicitor General, Mr. Kapil Sibal. My lord, if your lordship declares this right, I just want to flag 1 or 2 problems. Within the realm of personal laws, those that relationship may not be recognized, and it is not recognized in many personal laws. At the same time, we have certain statutory bodies which only regulate religious affairs, like Hajj committees, like certain shrine boards. They only regulate religious affairs. Like if somebody goes tomorrow to Hajj committee and says, I have constitutionally declared right to remain as union and I want to go on Hajj as couple, married
We'll have
couple.
to wrap up now. Yes.
So that I have 2-3 examples that I have set
Although
out.
we look at the-
These are the problems which will be faced by even a statutory bodies that you.
All right.
So
Thank
so
you, Mr. Shamshad.
I'm deeply obliged.
Call upon Ms. Priya Aristotle, please. Thank you, Mr. Shamshad. Thank you.
I'm deeply obliged.
Sorry to cut you short, but we are now.
No
Thank you.
problem.
We'll read your note. Yes, Ms. Aristotle.